What's going on, YouTube? On my way to my bike. It's Sunday stunt day. Hot as fuck out here. Fucking dealing with traffic and shit. But we're gonna send it. Got my Red Bull, my snacks. You gotta eat some snacks if you're not trying to pass out in this heat. Wearing my Under Armour sleeves, like my tattoos. This is just, I don't feel like putting fucking sunblock cream, or I also don't want the tyrant to know a full description of who I am. I have my cover my tattoos and stuff. I also won't be damaging the fuck you. So we're here, got the CBR out, do a little walk around, make sure everything's legit. Nothing's loose. Waiting on my new Bree cage with the suspension pucks. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it has like suspension on it, so when the bike falls it bounces. And I'll probably most likely take all the fairings off and, you know, start hitting the lots. Maybe take wheelies a little bit more serious than I do now. Yeah, because you can't do in the streets, and I probably won't ever learn in the streets because they're sketchy. Like jump into the gas tank. It's like one of the tricks that I want to do the most, but it's scary. Some people tell me it's not. I'm scared of the jumping. People tell me it's not, you don't actually just have to jump, you just have to like bend your knees a little and just send it, go for it. That is not a jump, it's just like, it's not even that far away, you know? But I don't know, I'm just scared to just be that far, I guess. Like leap. Alright, so we're gonna be, I don't know if I should keep it recording or just, so I do have an hour of recording, but it's not much to see. Yeah, I guess I'll keep it recording just in case. So yeah, I thought I had to bleed my brakes because last time I rode, there was what's that word? Like it wasn't squeezing hard enough or something. Nah, it seems fine. I don't know. Let's try this. Brakes are working fine. Woo! Where you going, bro? I'm just gonna end it here until I get to the pack, because I don't want to drain the battery. These GoPros died quick and I'm not carrying an extra battery. So yeah, see you guys there. So after about 40 minutes of just sitting here, we're ready to go. Now we're gonna sit at the gas station for another 40 minutes, and then I gotta go home. Yep, they didn't get to drive shit. Gotta get used to people getting on the fucking way all the time, bro. Like, couldn't look back. Yo. Sick. They're your 8s? Okay. They're going through Wynwood or something. This nigga crazy. Blacked out van. Don't like bikes. It's dangerous. Man, these people crazy going through here, bro.